To activate easy mode on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen. Tap easy mode. And then tap the gray on off switch next to easy mode to activate easy mode. As a note, easy mode is designed for those who prefer a simpler layout with bigger on-screen items, a longer touch and hold delay to prevent accidental action, and high contrast keyboard for better readability. It's especially useful for senior, beginners, or anyone who wants a clutter-free experience. You can switch back to the standard mode anytime by switching off easy mode option in the same menu like you did when you turn it on. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.